Yeah, today topic is, yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, yeah. Today the class two topic is syntax as well as how to include OOP inside module. That is the topic today. That is the syllabus copy of the today class. Okay, first I will explain what is module and end module. That all. Okay. Uh, you have basic idea about Verilog, right? That is enough to understanding today class. Okay, let us assume, guys. Let us assume in Verilog. Okay, we talk about in Verilog. In Verilog, we wrote the code in between module and end module, right? Name is small. We write a code in between module and end module. Anyone have any idea why we wrote the code in between module and end module? Anyone have any idea? Other than module and end module is possible or not? Possible, guys? Can't possible. Can't possible. Because our hardware tools, nothing but okay, 1 minute. Just,
Sandeep, your voice is not clear.
yeah, okay, 1 minute. Yeah, check it. In this time, hello, I am audible, right?
Yeah, now it's clear.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pawan, please wait until I admit. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Still some guy is waiting. Yeah, okay, guys. Yeah, yeah. My question is in Verilog, we wrote a code in between module and end module, right? Module and end module. Why it is compulsory or not? Anyone have any idea? In Verilog, I think you have already some basic knowledge about Verilog, right? Why we wrote a code in between module and end module? Anyone have any idea, guys? Other than module and end module is possible. Other than module and end module is possible, guys. If you have any idea. Ah, okay. Yeah, the Sanjana told. Yeah, that is can't possible. Sir, why other than module and end module, uh, uh, we can't possible to write a code? Okay, that I will. 1 minute, some network issue. Yeah, sorry guys, some disturbance. Yeah, 1 minute. I will clarify this issue. One minute. Yeah, check it. I am audible, right? Response. Yeah, Gopi Krishna. I think you try to speaking. Your voice is not clear to me. Better chat box. You wish in chat box, that is better. Yeah, okay, okay. I think I am audible. Yeah, if you have any doubt, guys, yeah, your voice is clear. You can, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. The Sanjana answer is yeah. Sun is no sun. We can't possible to write a code in between. We can't possible other than model and end module. Other than model and end module. Sir, why that is compulsory or not? First, I will clarify this question. Okay, our hardware tool nothing but Costa or EDA or Synops. Okay, this tool will understand only in between whatever are the code or whatever are the lines written in between model and end module. That too only is valid, or that too only our hardware tool is understood. Other than okay, sir, outside model and end model, I write to a and gate logic. And gate logic, nothing but C is equal to A and B. This logic is in instead of in between model and end module, I wrote outside model and end module. That is, it is valid. It is not valid. It is not valid because our hardware tool only understand a code in between module and end module. Module and end module, guys. That is the first important point. Why we write a code in between module and end module? Because our hardware tool not understand a code outside module and end module. Okay, that is one point. Okay, yeah. Next, again, come back to the concept. Yeah, the concept is today's syntax as well as how to include OOP concept in inside module. Okay, yeah, that I will clarify the sentence at the last of the class. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, first I will discuss OOP concept. First, discuss syntax. Yesterday class we'll discuss OOP is definitely necessary to verify the IP blocks. Okay, without OOP concept is very difficult. That is first point. First we'll discuss the OOP syntax. OOP syntax. OOP syntax written in between class. That is the syntax. Please all are concentrate. Class. Next one is class name is your wish. Class name is your wish. Semicolon. And again in between, yeah, class and end class. That is common for OOP. In between class and end class, in between class and end class, encapsulation concept will appear. Encapsulation concept will comes in between class and end class, guys. Inside encapsulation, again, what are the concepts present inside encapsulation, guys? First one is properties, second one is methods, third one is consent. This all three parts of encapsulation will appear in between class and end class. Class and end class. Encapsulation nothing but first week properties. Second one is methods. Third one is consent. This all three topics will comes in between class and end class. Class and end class. That is the syntax of OOP. Okay. Yeah. Next, I will discuss one more syntax. That is Verilog syntax. Next, I discuss Verilog syntax. Verilog syntax is write a code in between module and end module. Module in between module and module, your logic is present. Logics are present. Logics are present. Again, end module. That is the syntax of Verilog, guys. Okay. Again, finally we come to system Verilog syntax. System Verilog syntax, guys. Okay, you already know system Verilog is used for both design and verification purpose. That is first point. Next point is to write a verification code. Yeah, first I will explain. Think. Yeah, let us assume you already know OOP syntax as well as uh, Verilog syntax. Next, we come to system Verilog. Next, we come to system Verilog concept. The system Verilog environment look like one side OOP is present plus module also present. OOP is nothing but class and end class. Let us assume this is like system Verilog. Okay, OOP is nothing but class. Next one is class name. Next, write encapsulation concept in end class. That is OOP concept. Again, only OOP concept we can't run by using our hardware tools. Only OOP concept is can't possible to run by using our hardware tools, nothing but EDA Costa. Okay, how to run this OOP concept? How to run? Only one solution is present to include this OOP concept in between module and end module. In between module and end module, our hardware tool easily understand a code in between module and end module, guys. That is first point. What is first point? Our hardware tool easily understand a code in between module and end module. Okay. Mm, definitely OOP is compulsory needed. OOP is compulsory needed in system Verilog. But only OOP, only OOP we can't possible to run by using our hardware tool. Only one solution is possible by using we include a OOP concept in between module and end module. That is only the one solution to run a OOP concept in hardware tools. That is the first point, guys. Our hardware tools is can't possible only OOP concept. Only OOP concept. Okay. Definitely module and end module our hardware tool is support. But class and end class our hardware tool is not support. Or no, other than sentences, only OOP concept our hardware tool is not support. Only OOP concept our hardware tool is not support. What are the code? What are the codes written in between module and end module? That only valid for our hardware tools. That only valid. That only valid. Next, only the one solution is present. Definitely our OOP concept is definitely needed. Okay, how to run our OOP concept? Just include our OOP concept in between model and end module. That is enough. That is enough. Sir, how to include? Next, one more question will appear. How to include? How to include OOP? Okay, that is the next concept, guys. In this topic, if you have any doubt, guys, if you have any doubt, Gopi Krishna, Sanjana, Vanashri, if you have any doubt,
No.
yeah, yeah, okay, okay, better. Yeah, finally, our hardware, nothing but yeah, I will show final conclusion. Final conclusion. Our system Verilog verification code look like SV environment or SV system Verilog environment look like this. Let us assume this one verification code. One side, two part is present. We write a verification code. OOP concept. That is OOP concept. That is system Verilog or otherwise module. Module concept is present. We write a code OOP code in one side. We wrote a OOP code in one side. Next other side is module and end module. That is the final conclusion of until this point. That is the final conclusion, guys. Okay, yeah, that is the final conclusion. Okay, our OOP code, our system Verilog consists of two part. First one is OOP, second one is module and end module. What is the need of module and end module? What is the need of module and end module? We include a OOP concept. So that reason module and end module are otherwise without module and end module we can't possible to run a code by using our our hardware tools. Our hardware tools. First I will write all the sentence. First, what is the first two question? Minute. Yeah, what is the first question? First, what is the this all are the important for understanding purpose I will write. First, what is the need of OOP? What is the need of OOP? That is the first question. Without OOP concept, without OOP is very difficult to is very difficult to verify the IP blocks. That is the first point. Next point. Next question. Syntax part. Syntax syntax of syntax of system Verilog. Syntax of system Verilog finally look like our system Verilog in syntax of system Verilog. One side OOP concept is present. Next another side same way another side Verilog syntax also. But for better understanding Verilog syntax, OOP syntax as well as Verilog syntax. OOP syntax as well as Verilog syntax. OOP syntax nothing but class 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 name or write a code in between encapsulation topic. Next one is end class. Okay, another side system Verilog concept is present, that is module end module end module. Okay, that is the system Verilog syntax. Next part is how to include or what is the need of for you already know what is the need of OOP concept. Next, what is the need of module block module block inside system Verilog. Module block inside system Verilog. That question answer is simple. Only our hardware tools our hardware tools is not understand the only OOP code. So that reason by using the module and end module block, by using module and end module block, we run the OOP concept. We run the OOP concept inside or OOP concept in hardware tools. That is the final conclusion. What is the need of module block inside system Verilog? Yes, sir. You will initially told OOP concept is definitely necessary. Sir, only OOP is enough, right? What is the need of module? That is compulsory question. Without module, we can't possible to run a only OOP concept by using our hardware tools. Okay, that is the conclusion. Next, I will show the practical example by using only OOP concept in that time. What happened? Okay, that I will show. Yeah, I will simply don't worry about coding that all. Simply I write class names. I will take pkt. Next, written in between, first one is properties present, right? Properties. Next one is methods. Next one is consent. Next one is consent. Last one is end class. Okay, I write a one more property rand bit. Okay, don't worry about that all. I will explain upcoming classes. Don't worry. Next method, yesterday I told one is remember, right? That is function void. I will take function and task in Verilog. Also, function and task is concept is present. That all are methods. Don't worry about this concept. Yeah, dollar displays here used for monitoring. Not monitoring, just displaying purpose. Display the values purpose. Next, once we write a function, end function is needed. Next, consent is in this time I didn't include any consent because it looked like so high, so heavy. So that reason, yeah, this is only OOP concept, right? Okay, I write a code by using only OOP concept and just run it. Okay, I will run this code. You only see. First I will say and run the code. You only see, guys. Definitely error will appear. Error. Yeah, I think it is visible, right? Screen is visible, right? You all screen. Yeah, error. What type of error? Yeah, that error is error 0. Yeah, error 1. Yeah, in Costa 64. Yeah, compile 2.1 May 5. Yeah, okay. That is error. Use top design unit to specify the top level module architecture. To specify the top level module architecture. Please all observe the cursor. To specify the top level module architecture. To specify the top level module architecture. This type of error will get, we write a code only by using only OOP concept and then run it inside our hardware tool. In that time we get this type of error. Okay, initially it all right. By only OOP concept, our hardware tool is not support. Our hardware tool is not support, but definitely OOP concept is needed. Okay, first point is our hardware will not support only OOP concept. Second point is definitely OOP concept is definitely needed. How to? What is the solution? Only one solution. We include a OOP concept inside module. In that time, we can easily to run our OOP concept also. OOP concept also. Next, we'll see how to include OOP concept in between module and end module. Okay, next question. Next question. How to include? How to include? How to include OOP inside module and end module. Okay, what is the need? Anyone tell, guys? What is the need? Why we need to include a OOP concept in between module and end module? Anyone answer? Anyone? What is the need? In which purpose we include a OOP concept in between module and end module?
To verify the IP blocks, that's what you mentioned in the question number one, right?
Yeah. That is one point. Next point is our hardware tool not support only OOP. Okay, but definitely OOP concept is needed to verify the IP blocks. Okay, so that
Okay.
reason we include a OOP concept in between model and end module. This type of definitely this type of question. This all are the common question. Okay, why? Yeah, first I will write that one. In which purpose? In which purpose? We need to we need to include OOP inside module and end module. Module and end module. That first point is OOP is definitely needed. OOP is definitely needed for verification. For verification. For verification. But our hardware tool, our hardware tool is not support is not support only OOP. So that reason one solution is present, one solution is there, one solution is there. That is one solution is there. That is our hardware tool. Our hardware tool supports the codes written in between module and end module by using this concept. By using this concept, we run the OOP concept. That is the final conclusion, guys. Okay, I think you all are understood, right? By using this concept, we run the OOP concept or OOP code. OOP code. OOP code. One solution is present, only the model and end module, in between model and end module. So by using that concept, we run the OOP code. That is answer of this question. Next one is how to include OOP inside model and end module. You already know what in which purpose we need to include OOP concept in between model and end module. Next question is how to include our OOP concept in between model and end module. Okay, by using these all are the OOP concept. These all are the OOP concept initially told. Upcoming after fourth question, after this fifth question onwards, these all are the OOP theory concept. OOP theory concept. Above 1, 2, 3, 4, that all some general question. But fifth onwards or include fifth question also. These all are the OOP theory concept. OOP theory concept. By using the handle creation and object creation concept. Object creation concept. So what is handle creation? What is object creation? That all are discussed in this session. Okay. Yeah. By using handle creation and object creation. Sir, what is handle creation? First, I will discuss first handle creation. Handle creation. Handle creation nothing but we just declare one variable for our class proper or our class. We declare one prop or we declare one variable for our class. Suppose let us assume class name is pkt. Okay, how to create a handle for this class. So what is the need of handle? Next I will discuss what is the need of handle.
Siddharth,
Yeah, yeah,
let's assume class name is packet.
yeah.
We
Okay.
will create the handle pkt.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. The class name is packet. We need to create a handle creation for this class. Next, let us assume this step one. Let us assume we create a handle creation for one class or one OOP concept written in between class and end class, right? The first step is the class name is packet. Okay, next we create a handle for packet. Sir, what is the need of handle? That is next. For in this time we'll discuss only what is handle creation, how to create a handle. Sir, what is the need of handle creation? But we need to include a OOP concept inside model and end module. Only one solution. That is also only one solution. By using handle creation and object creation, we directly include our OOP concept in between model and end module. Our model and end module. That is first point. Next point is and how to create a handle. How to create a handle? Let us assume class name is pkt. Next, we'll create a handle for packet. Sorry, the class name is packet. We need to create a handle for packet. How to create a handle? Simple, guys. Third step is handle creation.
Siddharth,
Yeah,
the class name packet would be the object, right?
yeah, no, 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 no.
Ha-
Yeah, first
And
I'll
the
explain
handle,
your.
uh,
Yeah, you explain, ma'am. Next, I will clarify your doubt. Yeah, packet.
okay.
Yeah, packet is just a name, just a class name. That is your wish.
Okay.
That is your wish. But handle creation nothing but to allocate a one variable for your class.
No. The question is you have
Yeah,
written handle creation, number one, handle creation, and the steps followed by the handle creation is
yeah,
first one, and you're mentioning again as a handle creation on the third step. That's why
yeah,
I'm
yeah, yeah.
asking.
Okay. That is topic name. Let us say that is one topic name. Okay, don't confuse. How
Uh,
to create a handle. Yeah,
okay.
better. Yeah, how to create a handle. Okay, better. First step is class name is packet. We create a next step it we create handle for packet or packet class. Okay, you take anything. Next handle creation. Handle creation just simple. Class name, class name space. You allocate one variable. You allocate one variable that is your wish. Let us take pkt or p. That is enough. That is enough. That is your wish. That is your wish. Semicolon. That is enough. That is handle creation. Handle creation nothing but we allocate a one variable for your class, your class name. We allocate a one variable for your class name. That is handle creation. Handle creation syntax is, what is the syntax of handle creation? Syntax of,
Class name and the
yeah,
variable name.
yeah, variable name. Variable name is your wish. Class name also your wish. But we need you already mentioned class name, right? In above in
Right.
hoop concept you already mentioned. We need to copy the same name. We need to place the inside module also same name. Okay. The next is variable. Your wish. Variable name. We allocate one variable. In this example, we take P. That is handle creation, guys. That is handle creation. What is the need of handle creation? We include a whoop inside module and end module. We need to include a whoop concept in between module and end module. Handle creation is needed. Handle creation is needed. Sir, how to create handle? Next question is how to create a handle. First step is, let us assume class name is packet, and next is we need to handle for, or we create a handle for packet. How to create a handle? Let us assume handle creation is nothing but class name space variable name. Variable name is your wish, but packet name we need to mention same class. In above class is present, right? The in that class name is pkt. In the time of handle creation you place other than packet nothing but yeah, print. In this time definitely error, definitely error. We need to maintain same. Whenever in the period of whoop concept we need to mention packet. In the time of handle creation also we need to maintain same name, same name. Okay, this that is your wish. Packet is sorry, variable name is your wish. Okay, that is the way to create a handle. To create a handle creation nothing but we allocate a one variable for our class name, our class name. That is enough. Okay, next is object creation. Okay, object creation will explain in next class because this object creation is related to the memory allocation. Memory allocation. For simply, I will discuss how to create a object. Okay, but handle creation is we need to create a handle for we include the hoop concept in between module and end module. But object creation functionality is different. But initially for definition purpose, uh, we mention both. We mentioned both. Okay, by using handle creation and object creation for definition purpose, we need to mention both handle creation and object creation. But the role of handle creation is we need to include a whoop concept in between module and end module. In that time, handle creation is needed. Next, some memory is needed, right? We need to allocate some memory to store the variable value to where the, or let us assume in Verilog to generate the input, right? In Verilog, yeah, yeah, in Verilog, suppose you take AND gate. And gate combination is 0 0 0, yeah, 0 1 0, again 1 0 0, 1 1 1. Finally let us assume we store this all concept inside one memory. Okay, definitely some memory is needed, some memory is needed to store the value, or let us assume to display the output only, output only, to display the output. Okay, whenever our input is 0 0, in that time 0 will display inside the our transcript window. Our transcript window in hardware, in hardware to transcript window is display. Whenever 0 0 will appear, output is 0. In that time definitely memory is needed, definitely memory is needed to store the output. Definitely, right? In Verilog, in Verilog, memory is generated automatically. Memory allocate automatically. Memory is allocate automatically. memory is allocated automatically. But in system Verilog or OOP concept, not system Verilog, OOP concept. In OOP concept, memory memory is not allocate automatically, not allocate automatically. Okay, in Verilog, we didn't mention any memory. The tool only automatically generates some memory for store the value, for store the values. Okay, but in WOOP concept, whenever we enter into the WOOP concept, we generate one verification environment, or we wrote the one verification environment. In that time, some definitely memory is needed. Definitely memory is needed, guys. In that time, we need to allocate a memory is needed in WOOP. Okay, this concept we'll discuss in next class. Okay, don't worry about it. But for clarification purpose, and the object creation is used for memory purpose. Object creation is used for memory purpose. Handle creation is used for, we include a WOOP concept in between module and end module. But simply whenever or any other, we ask this type of question, how to include WOOP concept, WOOP inside module and end module by using handle creation and object creation. We mention both. That is valid. That is valid. But in the time of what is the functionality of the handle creation, in that time mention, yeah, handle creation, we allocated some variable for our class name. We need to, we yeah, some of the feature is present handle creation. Next time we'll discuss. Okay, but main functionality of the handle creation is include a WOOP inside module. Next, what is the functionality of object creation? We allocate a memory for your WOOP concept. We allocate a memory, we allocate a memory that is also related to the WOOP. That is also related to the WOOP. Handle creation also related to the WOOP. Finally, what is the final conclusion? By using the handle creation and object creation, we need to include a WOOP concept in between module and end module. Okay, how to create a handle creation, that I will mention. Okay, how to create a handle, and the next object creation. Object creation. How to create object creation, or in which, how to create the object. How to create the object, that is simple, guys. You allocate one variable name, right? In the period of handle creation, in the in the period of handle creation, we assign one variable, right? Variable, right? In this example, that is p. Okay, we use same variable and then new keyword, that is object creation. That is object creation. P is the handle name. P is the handle name, and next new is a keyword. That is the handle creation, sorry, that is the object creation. That is mainly, yeah, for mention in detail, we discuss next class. Okay, it is used 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 for allocate a memory. Okay, handle creation, that is used to, it is is used for access the OOP properties, methods, consent data. Yeah, is used to include the OOP inside module. Used for include the OOP inside module, or not inside, in between, include OOP in between module and in module. Sir, why object creation also you mentioned initially? Because the object creation also used for allocate a memory for your OOP concept. To allocate a memory for your OOP concept. So that reason, finally, conclusion is by using handle creation and object creation, we need we include the hoop concept in between module and end module. Okay, if you have any doubt, guys, in the fifth question, if you have any doubt, yeah, maximum in one or two classes enough to understand the basic of system Verilog, and then we directly enter into the encapsulation. Parallelly, we write a code and we discuss the code also. Okay, but one or two more classes is needed to understand the basic things. Okay, if you have any doubt, guys, in the fifth question,
No.
yeah, yeah. Other than Vanashi, if you have any doubt, yeah, Gopi Krishna, yeah, Mahalakshmi, if you have any doubt in the fifth question,
Siddharth, the course is on weekdays only, right?
yeah, yeah, weekdays, ma'am, weekdays only.
Okay.
Yeah, next I will discuss practically how to include, how to create the object. That's all. Okay, that is Whoop code. That is Whoop code. Next, we include the Whoop inside module. Okay, in this time definitely error will appear, right? To specify the top level module architecture. Okay, next we clear that error. Other thing is module. That module name is top. Okay, next handle creation. Handle creation. You only tell how to create a handle for this class. You only tell. Yeah, please all are respond, guys. Without communication, we can't achieve anything in these live classes.
The class name is packet PKT in this case,
Yeah,
and the variable name we can give, as you said, P.
yeah, that is handle creation.
Semicolon. Handle creation.
Yeah, next,
Creating the object,
yeah,
allocating the memory for the handle.
yeah. Initial begin. Yeah, initial begin. Next, we'll discuss. You already know, right? What is the need of initial begin? That's one procedural block. Yeah, 1 minute. Initial begin, p dot random. These all are the some concept is present in Whoop. Next I will discuss. Okay, don't worry about. Okay, yeah. Next object creation is pending. Okay, that is two possibilities. That is two possibilities to create a object. Two ways is present. Two ways is possible. 1 minute. Yeah, two ways possible to create the object. First one is along with handle name. Along with handle name, simply you assign, that is first way. Okay, next way is inside procedural block. Inside procedural block, two ways possible. I will run the code in two ways also. Okay, that is object creation. Okay, inside procedural block, that is first possibilities. First I will run this code. I will show, save and run. Yeah, see guys, in this time error is zero. Error is zero. In previous time one error will appear, right? To specify the module architecture. Module architecture. That kind of error will not present in this time. Okay, definitely one value is present. Next we will discuss. So why a is equal to 3, that's all next. But error is zero. Okay, that's all, error is zero. Warnings will appear. Okay, don't worry. But log errors finally zeros. Okay, yeah. Next, another one possibilities is present, right, to create the object along with handle creation and object creation. Okay, next we'll delete this line. Along with handle creation I will create the object creation. That is the second way. Okay, this is also possible. Okay, yeah, in this time also we get zero errors. That is also work. That is also work. Okay. Uh, yeah, that final today conclusion is we need to include a, yeah, in previous time we write a only whoop concept. In that time error will appear, but in this time we include a whoop concept in between model and end module. Sir, in which way you told? Whoop concept is we include inside model and end module. Object creation is present. Object, sorry, handle creation and object creation is present. Okay, inside how to include whoop concept in between model and end module through object creation and handle creation only. Handle creation and object creation. Let you only assume. Just comment this line and run it. You only assume. Yeah, in this time, what is the output? Output is value of a is equal to 13. Okay, next I will run. Yeah, in this time 3 error. You only assume. Yeah, this all are related to the handle, right? This also handle. Let us comment all this line. Next, I will run. Simply one only one module block is present. Initial begin in this inside this module or in between module and in module any whoop concept is not present or whoop included concept is not present. Okay, next I will run this code. Yeah, in this time also not get any error because model and end module is present. Model and end model is present, but inside that we didn't include any hoop concept. But in this time output is not present. Output is empty. Output is empty. Previously, when the output is present, right? Value of a, that value of a is present inside that value. The dollar display present inside hoop concept, inside hoop. But in this time, the dollar display is not displayed because we didn't include any whoop concept in between module and end module. Simply the hardware to take the module block and run whatever the concept present in between module and end module, that only valid. But in this time, not any concept is present. So that reason output is empty. You only assume next uncomment these lines. You only assume in this time definitely working. In this time we include hoop concept in between module and end module. Yeah, in this time definitely output will appear. Yeah, in this time definitely whoop also run. Whoop concept also run. Sir, in which you told whoop concept is run. The value of a, the display statement present inside class. Inside class, nothing but whoop. Whoop. We include whoop concept in between model and end model. So that reason this is working. That is working. Okay. Final conclusion is I will clarify the today topic once again. What is the today topic, guys? Today topic is syntax. I think you already understand. You all are understood, right? Whoop syntax as well as Verilog syntax because this both syntax is present inside system Verilog. Inside system Verilog, whoop concept also present, and then Verilog syntax but module and end module that concept also present. Okay, next, what is the next topic? How to include whoop inside module. Without what happen? Without included what happen? This kind of scenario previously run one code, right? That kind of scenario will happen. Simply we write a whoop concept. Yeah, better I will copy that all codes. Okay, in this time whoop concept also present, module concept also present, but one case is missing. We didn't include whoop concept in between model and end module. In that time output is empty. Yeah, I will one minute. I will copy that all and paste. Yeah, in this time we write the code one, nothing but in this code, in this code, in this code, I have both class and module concept, both class and module, but we didn't we didn't include OOP concept in between module and end module, module and end module. In that time, what happened? In this time, simply code is execute. Code is definitely execute. We don't get any error because module block is present. Module block is present. But sir, we command this module block. In that time, error will appear. Okay, in this code, I have both class and module, but we didn't include OOP concept in between module and end module. In that time, definitely code will run without any error, but output is not present. Output is we can't expect any output because inside module not present any logic. Inside module and end module not present any logic. That display statement present inside class in between class and end class. Okay, so that reason output we can't expect any output. Okay, next code in this code also I have both design and sorry, not design, class and module, but in this case we include OOP concept also. We include OOP concept in between module and end module. And next, run this code. In this time, definitely we expect the output. We get the output. Yeah, in this case, you can easily to get your output. Okay, because this finally in this time we can easily understand. But once we class is completed after 1 or 2 months, revision time definitely this all are needed. So that reason I will mention all these codes. Okay, next one more code is needed. One more code is needed. That code is in this code. In this code, only whoop, only whoop is present. Only whoop is present. Okay, let us assume in this time you already know what kind of error will expect in this code to specify the module architecture, right? Yeah, in this case mentioned error. That error is to specify the top level module or architecture. Yeah, that is the final conclusion, guys. If you have any doubt, if you have any doubt, if you have any doubt, guys, please clarify. Please clarify before enter into the next class.
I'm good, Siddharth. And also, I'm doing it parallelly with you.
Yeah,
I'm also typing the code. Please do it in a slower way so that I'll be
yeah.
catching up.
Okay. No problem, ma'am. Once we included, we install the tool. In that time, we run the code parallelly. But in this time, some basic right. So that reason I will copy that paste and I
I'm
will.
also doing it with the EDA Playground right now
Yeah.
because I didn't install Costa Sim previously.
Yeah.
It's showing some of the errors.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
think we you use a Mac or any other.
no, no. I changed it to the Windows OS, but then I don't think it is a licensed version of Costa Sim. That is why it's a cracked version. Um,
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not
But
able to. I
uh,
tried multiple
yeah.
times,
Okay.
but then couldn't do it.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Other than Manashri ma'am, if you have any doubt, Mahalakshmi, Gopi Krishna, if you have any doubt, I will ask the question. Are you ready to answer? Gopi Krishna, Mahalakshmi, are you present or?
Yeah, yeah, present.
Yeah, are you ready to answer the today class questions?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay, okay. I will ask three questions for each people. Each people have one question only. If you answer, and then I will wind up this session. Okay. Yeah. First question. Yeah. Vanash ma'am, you only answer this question. Yeah, that is simply. I didn't go any advance. Please, all concentrate this question. I write on code. In that code, only class or only whoop concept is present. Any module concept is not present. In that time, our hardware tool is support our code or not.
It won't support because module and end module are the basic building blocks in hardware description language.
Yeah.
So if we are not writing inside the module block,
Yeah.
the hardware tool will not understand that um, there is a logic inside it.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Okay.
oops concept, if we write oops concept outside of the module, it doesn't take it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Next, the Gopi Krishna the question. That question is how to include whoop concept in between module and in module.
By using handle and object creation.
Yeah. Okay. That's good. Yeah. Next question. Yeah. Mahalakshmi. Yeah. What is the need of or what is the need of or better uh, how to create a handle? How to create a handle? Hello. I am audible, right? Yeah. I think. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. In your side, that mic is issue. Better you type the chat box. That is enough. Yeah, better it's chat box. We will answer in chat box. That's you know how to create a handle. Handle creation. Yeah, Gopi Krishna answered right. How to include hope concept in between model and in model by using handle creation and object creation. How to create a handle. How to create. Just make a syntax. That is enough. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So answer in the chat box. Yeah. Yeah. Parallel, I will ask one more question. Yeah, please Allah observe and you only answer. In this time, whoop concept will include inside module or not? We included inside module or not?
It won't include.
Yeah, okay, okay. Yeah,
It will display only VLSI.
yeah. That is my yeah. That's good. Yeah, Gopi Krishna, I understand this code right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, okay. Because hoop concept is not included, but inside module logic is working. Inside module logic is working. Yeah, that's one is missing initially. Yeah, finally I conclude. Yeah,
Siddharth, can you go back to the code?
yeah. Okay.
Uh, oh, you deleted all the randomized
Yeah. That's
words.
that's will delete because handle and without handle creation and object creation, handle name is present in that time definitely error.
No, no, I was about to ask the doubt because you have mentioned p dot randomize semicolon, right? So
Yeah,
randomize was the inbuilt function. So
yeah. Inbuilt
whether the
function.
parenthesis needed or not.
Yeah. Parenthesis. Yeah, needed. I think deleted. Yeah, needed.
Okay,
Parenthesis needed because that is inbuilt.
inbuilt function. Yeah.
Yeah, inbuilt function. Randomize new that are inbuilt.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And next, I think, yeah, okay. I think today classes all are understood because these all are the basic one. Yeah, Malakshmi ma'am, in your side any issue? Okay, I think in your side any mic problem. I think, yeah, better if you have any doubt, please put in your chat box or WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, three mentor is present. Three mentor, you can contact any mentor. You can clarify your doubts. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hi, Sandeep.
Yeah. Good because
I have one doubt. I
yeah,
don't know whether I can ask now or when you're going through the program block.
yeah,
Uh, you have just now mentioned like we require a module to run the OOP concept, right?
yeah,
Earlier, when I was going through program block, I think
Yeah, yeah,
the same.
program. Yeah, program. That is. Uh, Next, I will come. Program block. Next, I will come. If I
Yeah, yeah. That way I asked you that I can ask now or when I go through the program block.
yeah, yeah, program block. That concept will next at the end of that is advanced, right? Program block. That is also used, but next I will come that program block. Okay, whenever coverage, we enter into the coverage, right? In that time we enter program block because initially we include all those things. It look like big one. So that reason I will take only the module block. Yeah, program block. That is also one topic is present. I will clarify, guys. In the coverage part, until coverage we didn't include any programming blocks. We enter into the coverage. Coverage point. Coverage point we explain programming block also. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah. Other
okay,
than,
thank you.
yeah, yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, thank you, guys. If you have any doubt, yeah, contact in WhatsApp group. Or already I mentioned all trainer name and handled projects also. If you have any doubt, contact that number. Okay. Yeah, thank you, guys. Yeah,
Thank you,
yeah. I
Siddharth.
think
Bye.
Suma joined last, right? If you have any doubt, Suma. Yeah, okay, okay. If you have any doubt, yeah,
Siddharth,
yeah.
keep updating the notes and recordings in the group. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, yeah. I will update. I will update, ma'am. No.
Yeah, I'm mainly here for the hands-on experience. So if you could do the coding parallelly and slowly, that would be more than enough for me.
Yeah, ma'am,
Uh,
ma'am. Okay, okay.
okay.
I will
Okay.
next. Next. I will parallelly we type the code because universal EDS access, but other than you, some of the students still not present any tool, right, to run the system with like
Yeah,
my
you
thing.
know what's that? After so much struggle, I somehow got into the EDA tool play,
Yeah,
EDA playground.
yeah,
It
yeah.
was so much struggle.
Yeah, okay, okay. My plan is Monday onwards is regular class. Or regular class is starting, right. Monday only I will install the tools for all the students. After that, I will parallelly we discussed. Okay.
Okay, I might need your help for installing the Costa in my Windows
Yeah,
also.
okay, ma'am. I will also see one more time what is that issue. That's all. Okay.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, yeah,
Thank you
okay.
so much.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, guys.
Bye.